My name is Holly Chinnery. I'm an Associate Professor at the Lions Eye Institute and at UWA Optometry, which is at the University of Western Australia. And I am the Inaugural Ian Constable Research Fellow. After I finished high school, I enrolled in a Bachelor of Science at the University of Western Australia. And very quickly I realised that I was thirsty and hungry to learn more about science and specifically the human body. So after I finished my Bachelor of Science degree, I enrolled in an honours program at the University of Western Australia, and I started a project on pig eyes, and that was really my first career turning point, which made me realise that I wanted to become an academic and a lifelong scientist. Following the honours project, I enrolled in a PhD, and then I moved to Melbourne and started my postdoctoral work at Monash University. My second career turning point was leaving the bench and becoming an academic at a new university, which was Deakin University, where I started learning how to become an educator in optometry. And then after working at Deakin University, I moved to Melbourne University, where I spent 10 years establishing a lab and doing corneal and ocular immunology research. I think my third career turning point was recently when I accepted a position at the Lions Eye Institute in Perth, Western Australia, and UWA Optometry. So I've come back over west, back to my home state, to establish a new research group which is focusing on corneal and ocular surface immunology. Ian Constable was the founding managing director of the Lions Eye Institute back in 1983, and he is a very well-known scientist and ophthalmologist who has been instrumental in elevating eye research in Australia. I was approached by the Lions Eye Institute with this opportunity to apply for the Ian Constable Fellow, which will help to establish a new research group which is focusing on corneal and ocular surface immunology and regeneration, which is one of the 6 priority areas of the Lions Eye Institute. So over here I'm building a team of clinicians and scientists who are all motivated and interested in studying corneal and ocular surface immunology and eye disease. My main area of research at the moment is quite a specialised topic, which is ocular immunology, and more specifically trying to understand how the immune system operates in the cornea, which is the front surface of the eye. In doing this research, we have recently developed a new technique which enables us to capture live videos of immune cells as they wander and move throughout the corneal tissue. We think this type of research is really exciting, and it gives us an opportunity to study immune cells in living humans, which cannot really be achieved anywhere else in the body. In using this new technology, we hope that we can start to learn more about inflammation in the eye and start to develop new therapies to treat eye diseases and corneal diseases that have an underlying inflammatory basis. My passion as a scientist really stems from 2 major things. The first one is curiosity. I'm endlessly asking questions about how the world works and how biology works. And also my second passion that's driving my research career is an ambition to help people with eye diseases. In particular, I'm focused on trying to help treat conditions that affect the ocular surface of the eye, which is really important for healthy vision, and also to help people who are living with conditions that cause eye pain every time they blink, for example. I'm a mum of 2 very energetic young boys, and so I think my hobbies really revolve around my kids at the moment, at this stage in my life. So that involves attending lots of sports, basketball games, walks along the beach, and bike rides, and anything that's really active outdoors and having fun with the kids.